What if I told you I proposed with a Minecraft storybook, a book about how I met my partner and her daughter, and including all our pets, and it was written and illustrated using AI. And this is a true story, so stick around and I will show you exactly how I pulled it off. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Nerd Cave. Usually on this channel I make videos about the Raspberry Pi Pico tutorials or just programming and things like that. But today's video is a bit more special because I've made something powerful with AI. I created this book that helped me propose to the love of my life. This book tells the story of our family, set in a Minecraft world, and with the power of ChatGPT, I created these amazing illustrations that bring the story to life perfectly. So let me tell you how it all started. A few months ago, I met this incredible woman named Joyce. We actually met on HelloTalk because at that time I was busy studying Japanese. What started as a simple chat turned into late night conversation, voice calls, and eventually video calls. And through these video calls, I have met her daughter named Jasmine, a bright 6-year-old who loved Minecraft, animals, and building things. And honestly, we all just clicked. And after a few months together, being there for Jasmine's 7th birthday, Joyce's birthday, Valentine's, and all those special moments, it didn't feel like we were strangers. It felt like we were a family. And that is when I realized I wanted to propose to her. For a proposal, I wanted this to be very special. And every night since we've been together, I always read Jasmine these Minecraft books that she likes a lot. So that's when it hit me. What if I made a Minecraft book on how we all met each other that include everyone and all our pets? And then I read this to both of them. And then afterwards, I could maybe have a special letter for Joyce and Jasmine. And then I can propose to her. Before I show you the whole process on how did I make this book, I just want to do a quick family introduction and then we'll dive deep into the details if you want to create a book of your own. First up is Jasmine, our brave little explorer. She's smart, creative, and absolutely loves Minecraft. Whether she is running outside, building Legos with me, or playing on the beach, she just brings a whole world of imagination into everything she does. Then there is Joyce. Joyce is the heart of our family. She's thoughtful, creative, and endlessly loving. She makes every space feel warm, every moment feel special, and she's the reason I believe in a happily ever after. She doesn't just love deeply, she builds a life around that love. This is Emily, Joyce and Jasmine's poodle. She's about 6 years old, gentle, sweet, and absolutely obsessed with belly rubs. She might be small, but she's part of this family in a big way. And this is Floki, my golden retriever and my best buddy. He carries packages for me, loves chasing after toys, and is always ready for a game of fetch. But what I love most is how gentle he is. With kids, with other animals, and just everyone. He's a loyal guardian, a playful goof, and the definition of a good boy. Then there's Odin, a half-border collie and full-time troublemaker. He's very energetic, smart, but just a little bit naughty. He keeps life exciting and a little bit unpredictable. And this is Ivar, our cat and probably the most independent member of the family. She'll often curl up on my desk while I'm editing videos or outside exploring everywhere. And that's a short introduction to my family. To create a book was actually very straightforward. I had a story in mind and I just made a short version of the story, then gave it to ChatGPT and asked it to make it better. Then ChatGPT actually took that and also gave me suggestions for each of the scenes in the book, which then I just needed to copy that and then ask ChatGPT to make me an image. Now the problem is when it generates an image, it doesn't always fit the whole page of the book, and this is where we can use Photoshop's generative fill to fill in those blank spaces. So let me quickly show you how I have done this. Here I have an image of Joyce and Jasmine. So we can just click here, download, and it will save this to your computer. In Adobe, create a new file. I made my document to be 8 by 10 inches. I then import the image from ChatGPT. And then we want to only go and select the white parts. And then we can use the generative fill tool. This will then generate 3 images, which you can choose from. Now it's not going to be always perfect, and you can just regenerate the new one over and over until you find something that works. Or you might need to use Photoshop to go clean up a little bit. I did this for each page of the book, and in the end I just use a rectangle with some text to go create each page of the book. I then exported each page as an image and then combine it to a PDF. And then I can use this PDF to send it to any company to print out the book. So for the proposal, Joyce knew I made a book for Jasmine, but she didn't know I'm going to use this book to propose. Now I have in the book I have written a letter by hand, which is a personal letter which I will not share on YouTube, and also a letter I have written to Jasmine. So I've asked her if we can go to the beach so that I can read this book to Jasmine, because she didn't know about this book. So when we finally got to the beach, I knew this was my time. I took out the book and I read the book to the two of them. After reading the book, Jasmine went and played on the rocks, and then I opened the last page and then I read that letter to Joyce. And I was not sure that she knew what was happening then, but then afterwards I took out a ring and I proposed to her. But that day was the happiest day of my life, because then my partner became my forever. And that is how I used AI to do the perfect proposal. Now, we are probably going to get married hopefully in July. We actually did already get a new apartment that we are currently moving in. So that means there's going to be a new nerd cave. And of course, going forward in this channel, you're going to see Jasmine and Joyce a lot with all our pets. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And Joyce and Jasmine, I love you more than any Minecraft treasure.